Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to make Chrome browser faster and speed up your internet browsing experience. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome browser. Then the next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here, and then make sure you click on settings. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to performance right here. Click on performance, then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down. And then from the speed right here, what you need to do is to simply click on here. And then you see extended preloading. More pages are preloaded. Pages may be preloaded through Google Server when requested. What you need to do is to simply click on here to turn it on. So having turned it on, make sure this is also on. And with that, your browsing experience is going to be fast speed internet with Chrome browser. It's as simple as that. So basically, I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.